Hey guys! Welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make slime with hand sanitizer. So yeah, so please double like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Also guys, if you have not already heard about all the news stories and articles about kids who have been making slime with borax, they've gotten hurt. And they've gotten like first, second, and third degree burns. That is just terrible because slime is supposed to be fun and not to get hurt. So in the future and today, I'm going to show you guys so many more ways how to make slime without borax. And this is just one of the ways how to make slime with hand sanitizer. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the ingredients you will need to make this slime is hand sanitizer. And I'm using the Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer called On Christmas We Wear Pink. The next thing you will need to make this slime is a bowl or a plate. I'm using this. And the last thing you will need is a mixing tool. So I'm just using this mixing tool. So let's get making some slime. Okay guys, so the first thing you'll do is take out your bowl or your plate and you're going to add your hand sanitizer. So I'm just going to add it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just gave 5 pumps to it. And now you're going to get mixing it. So I will mix it right now. So this is also an extra step, just like in how to make slime with shampoo. It just makes it like a little bit easier to like make this. Sorry guys, the camera turned off. But after you're all done mixing, it should look like this probably, and you're going to put it into the freezer for about 1 hour to 2 hours. So I will be back in 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so I just took out the slime from the freezer. Also, before I put it into the freezer, I added some pink paint into it, so that's why it's pink. So I'm going to start mixing it. Also, it's been in the freezer for about 2 hours. So, let's see. It's so sticky. Whoa! I made slime! I'm so happy right now. Oh, it's really cold. That's cold. It's like frozen, this plate. So here it is. It's pretty sticky. Sorry, my dad's coughing upstairs. Okay, here it is. I think I actually did something right. It's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. Well, this is pretty cool. I'm happy I made slime. I think I could use some, like, a little bit more activator. Or activator I have. Can we add a little bit of... Let's try to add a little bit more hand sanitizer to it. Sorry about the noises upstairs. The dryer's on. So, let's see. Ooh, the hand sanitizer is basically the activator a little bit. Oh no, it's sticking. Oh. It smells really good though. I think I need to add a little bit of laundry detergent, so I'm gonna go get some. So, I have some Tide right here. I'm gonna add a little bit into this plate. A little droplet. Okay, so I'm going to add this here. This is an extra step. Ooh, it's working. It's not that sticky anymore. Not really. It's so sticky. I should probably play with it. Wait, I know what to do. I'm going to add my real activator into here. Liquid starch. Okay, so I'll be back when I'm done mixing. Okay guys, so I just finished mixing and kneading it. So here's it when it's all done. And I still can't believe I made slime with hand sanitizer. Like, this is so much better than borax. And guys, I did use a hand sanitizer because if you look super closely, there's little like sparkles in it. Can you see that? Focus this. Yeah, there's like little sparkles in here. It's super cool. So I didn't just like take out slime and just, you know, pretended I make this. So this is how you make slime with hand sanitizer. You can basically only make little portions because you only have a little bit of hand sanitizer. But you get what you get, and it's a pretty good little hack to make your own slime. And I still can't believe this is how you make slime. This is like crazy. And on my live stream before, I was showing you guys like the middle of it for making slime. It's super pokey. And I'm not sure you guys at first it's like real slime. So this slime was basically left out for a little while. So this is actually another hand sanitizer slime. I left this out for a little while so it's not that stretchy. But it's actually pretty bad. This was a hand sanitizer slime from yesterday. And I left it out overnight. Me problems. But here is it like this. So don't leave out your slime. So this is how you make hand sanitizer slime. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Love you guys and peace. And thumbs up for slime. So bye. Also please get me to 5,000 subscribers because at 5,000 subscribers I am doing a face reveal. So please subscribe. Bye.